Etong ball game at hand natin, San Miguel, Rain or Shine. Two bitter rivals going at it on this PBA Sabado nights. San Miguel going to their import Mike Singletary early on. Sa kabila naman, si Ponferrada nagdala na laban para sa Rain or Shine.
Tingnan ni Coach Leo Austria, Singletary 33 points also sa Barako Bull. Pero syempre, if you compare the team of Barako and San Miguel, totally different because you have a lot of locals who can score even 40 points in one game for San Miguel.
Dalawa abante ng San Miguel pagkatapos ng unang yugto. And then, etong San Miguel continues their dominance underneath. Yancy De Ocampo got a lot of minutes in that second quarter. Hindi naman niya pinahiya ang tiwala ni Coach Leo.
That's critical because once you rest Junmar Fajardo because either pagod or fouls or pinipreserve lang ni Coach Leo, you want the second unit, lalo na Yancy, to provide those numbers. Kasi malaking bagay yun. It will not really stress Junmar Fajardo in the long run.
12 naging abante ng San Miguel at the end of the first half. Third quarter action naman tayo. Kinyahan, who went scoreless in the first half, will feed his import dun sa ilalim.
He had some shades of brilliance. May mga maganda pinakita si Dollard, but definitely it's not going to be enough. Ito nga yung na-injure na si Joel Ponferrada.
Oo, ganda nung nilalaro ni Ponferrada. 12 puntos. Ang problema, na-sprain siya. Pagdating ng fourth quarter, we pick up the action with less than 7 minutes to go. Santos for 3. He sends that one home. Naging siyam na bigla ang abante ng SMB.
Yung si Arwin Santos, magod, di nga siya tuloy-tuloy yung kanyang scoring, but timely hits really provided that yung mga pamatay sunog, yun na, especially when Rain or Shine is making a rally.
Ito naman yung pamatay na atake ni Mike Singletary. Pero dito na nagbago yung complexion ng laro. Big block by Santos, and then he was fouled dito sa kabilang dulo.
It's just so difficult to see Magu when natamaan ni this is Cruz.
It's too quick.
Yes, it was too quick. Pero pag titingnan mo, if you really wanna analyze it, yung si Arwin was holding the ball pero medyo kinabig niya papuntang kaliwa ng konti. So, you know, could be baka may contact din doon. We will never know.
82-75 your final score.